Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passions. Now I will display some exclusive outstanding pure silk sarees collections only for you. So let me display festive specials pure silk sarees collections. For more collections, please visit our showroom at Kolkata. All over India, free delivery, cash on delivery also available. And this one is a very exclusive one, pure hand woven saree, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun mulberry silk with hand weaving design work, very exclusive one, and beautiful color combinations, wine shade, pure material, pure premium quality mulberry silk with silk mark, soft one, all over, beautiful highlighted pure muslin silk stripes with pocket weaving sequin design, silk sequin pocket weaving design with highlighted golden and silver zari weaving polka design, fully hand woven saree, pure mulberry silk with highlighted pure muslin silk stripes with pocket weaving sequin design and hand woven polka design, fully golden and silver zari weaving polka design all over saree, very nice color combinations, wine shade premium quality mulberry silk. And this one is running blouse piece, pure silk with silk mark, exclusive one. And this one, pallu portions, pure muslin silk with beautiful golden and silver zari hand woven design work. Pallu portions, very nice, looks fully fine hand woven design, golden and silver zari weaving hand woven design work, pure mulberry silk all over stripes pattern design, muslin silk stripes with weaving polka design. And this is the silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with the saree for your outstanding looks. And next one is a nice color combinations, fresh black shade and same material, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun mulberry silk with all over, hand woven design work, hand woven buta work all over, very exclusive combinations, this one is pure material, pure mulberry silk with muslin stripes, golden and silver zari hand woven fine buta design, fine hand woven work. And this one is, muslin pallu in pure muslin silk with beautiful hand woven design work, golden and silver zari weaving hand woven design with handloom mark, very exclusive one. This one is full base part with silk mark and handloom mark, and all over fine stripes design, muslin stripes with golden and silver zari weaving buta work. And this one is running blouse piece. And it is the silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with the saree for your outstanding bright looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality material, premium quality pure silk with silk mark, pure mulberry silk soft one, all over fine silk, fine stripes design, muslin silk stripes with beautiful hand woven golden and silver zari weaving buta design all over, very nice color combinations, pure silk with silk mark, pure mulberry silk all over, pure muslin silk stripes with beautiful golden and silver zari hand woven buta design all over base. This one is pleats portions, running blouse piece plain, and pallu portions, fully muslin pallu with beautiful fine golden and silver zari hand woven fine design work. This one is pallu portions, pure silk with silk mark with handloom mark also. And this one is muslin pallu, fully golden and silver zari fine hand woven design work. And this is the silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with the saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, very beautiful exclusive one, baby pink shade, pure handloom hand spun matka with all over, muslin stripes with beautiful sequin, silk sequin design work. This one is full base part, very elegant looks, light baby pink shade, pure handloom hand spun matka with silk mark. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful muslin pallu with golden and silver zari weaving hand woven buta design, and all over pallu portions, pocket weaving silk sequin, real silk sequin highlighted design, fully designer piece all over saree stripes pattern design, pure muslin silk stripes with silk sequin design. And this one is pleats portions, running blouse piece and all over silk sequin stripes design. And so this is silk material brocade work, brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Then very beautiful one, pure handloom handspun matka with all over natural savory design work, contrast color border, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, all over handspun matka base with silk mark, savory design, natural process savory design, and this one is border portions, contrast color border, and very soft material, feather like soft, elegant looks. Running blouse piece and pallu portions, fully hand woven jamdani work, muslin pallu with traditional fine hand woven jamdani design worked all over. Pallu portions, very elegant looks with beautiful design, pallu in beads design, very nice one, fully hand woven jamdani work. And this silk material, mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, very exclusive one, beautiful silk sequin design work, pocket weaving design, all over highlighted muslin stripes and pure handloom handspun matka with savory highlighted design. This one is upper chest portions, magenta pink shade, and savory design, natural process savory design, split portion. This portion is split section, pure handloom handspun matka, all over split portion, savory design one, natural savory with pocket weaving, silk sequin stripes, running blouse piece and chest portion, all over silk sequin stripes design. And this one is pallu in pure muslin silk with hand woven buta design, silver and golden zari weaving design, buta design, all over pallu portion, silk sequin stripes with golden and silver zari weaving buta, and fully hand woven zari, very nice looks and soft material, feather like soft. This portion is chest portions, and this silk material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Next one also nice color combinations, very soft one, premium quality pure handloom handspun matka base with beautiful savory design work, very nice one. This one is full base part, fresh rani pink shade and all over savory print design. This one is pallu portions, beautiful highlighted savory design worked pallu, and very soft material, feather like, and all over same savory design, very elegant, fresh looks, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka, running blouse piece, and this silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Next one, nice bright color combinations, pure material, fine hand woven design, pure mulberry silk with all over bright red shade with beautiful muslin stripes with this hand woven design work, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, mulberry silk and muslin stripes highlighted with hand woven buta design, golden and silver zari weaving hand woven buta all over base. This portion is chest portions, exclusive combinations, and this one is mulberry silk split portions, running blouse piece, handloom with handloom mark with silk mark, and this one pallu in beautiful guinea work, pocket weaving guinea design with all over golden and silver zari fine hand woven design work, guinea pocket weaving guinea work with jamdani design, very exclusive one and fully hand woven work, fine hand weaving design. And this one is chest portions, beautiful hand woven work, mulberry silk, and precisely silk material, heavy brocade Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, exclusive combinations, premium quality pure Kora Banarasi with digital printed one, very nice elegant looks, best for your festive wear, party wear. This one is pure Kora silk, pure Kora Banarasi with silk mark and beautiful work. This one is pallu portions, fully fine hand woven design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, very soft material, pure material, and this one is border portions, fully traditional hand woven design worked border, fully hand weaving saree, pallu portions, heavy hand woven work border also, and all over digital printed one, and pure Kora material, pure Kora silk with all over digital printed Kora Banarasi border. This one is border portions, all over digital printed one. soft, lightweight, and running blouse piece also. This one, running blouse piece also digital printed with highlighted border and pure Kora silk. And it is this silk material, heavy, plain base, shiny looks, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, very beautiful exclusive color combinations, lavender purple shade, pure Kora silk with silk mark and hand woven buta design. Very nice combinations, all over base borderless saree, smart trendy looks with hand woven buta design, fully gold and silver zari weaving hand woven buta design all over base. And this one is pallu portions, fully fine golden and silver zari weaving design worked pallu, Kora Banarasi pallu and all over buta work. Very nice elegant looks. Running blouse piece also stripes with buta work, running blouse piece, pure Kora silk with silk mark, all over fine hand woven buta design, hand weaving saree based for your festive wear, fully gold and silver zari contrast weaving buta design. And this one is full base part, pure Kora silk. And it is the silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful looks. Next on, nice color combinations, very beautiful one. Premium quality, pure handloom, handspun matka all over gicha weaving checks pattern design, check stripes pattern design, golden zari border, pure silk. And this one is pallu portions highlighted gicha checks design, and main base is handspun matka silk all over gicha weaving design works. This one is full base part, texture stripes pattern designed by Gicha silk, golden zari border, very soft one, lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, and it is this silk material, brocade, ikat brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful color combinations, pure handloom matka base with traditional hand woven jamdani work based for your festive wear, contrast color border and all over fine hand woven jamdani design work, very exclusive combinations. This one is full base part, pure matka base, hand woven saree, contrast pink border and all over border portions, beautiful traditional hand woven jamdani work with buta design, very fresh looks. And this one is pallu portions, muslin pallu with contrast color threaded hand woven jamdani worked pallu, soft material, lightweight, pure handloom matkas base with traditional hand woven jamdani work, border portions traditional jamdani work, all over jamdani buta design, very elegant face looks. Running blouse piece, contrast pink shaded and pure white base. And this silk material, mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, very nice color combinations, pure moga base, pure moga silk with silk mark and bright color combinations, wine maroon shade with traditional hand weaving border design all over minakari buta and pure material, pure silk with silk mark. And this one is border portions, beautiful fine hand weaving design work, traditional border all over minakari buta design, pure material, pure moga Banarasi Minakari buta design all over saree. Running blouse piece, fully zari weaving brocade work, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece and pallu portions, fully fine hand weaving design worked pallu. This one is fully traditional hand woven design, heavy work pallu but soft material, very lightweight, comfortable. And is this silk material, heavy embroidery buta design, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. Very beautiful color combinations, fresh black shade, pure mocha silk with silk mark and all over hand woven design work, all over minakari buta, traditional hand woven border and pallu design, very nice looks, rich looks. And this one is border portions, fully fine copper golden zari weaving design work, border all over buta work, minakari buta design, very soft material, elegant looks, pure mocha silk with silk mark. And this one is pallu pallu portions highlighted copper golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving traditional design worked pallu all over minakari buta design pure silk mark and lightweight also. And this one is border portions fine hand woven buta design running blouse piece fully brocade work running blouse piece. And suggest this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And next one, very beautiful color combinations, reshmi tissue silk all over traditional hand woven buta design, Banarasi buta design, and border portions also traditional Banarasi design work, shiny material, reshmi tissue silk, soft one, easy drapable. And this one is pallu portions based for your festive wear, contrast color with fine weaving design, traditional worked pallu, soft one, lightweight, gorgeous, bright looks. This one is full base part all over Banarasi buta design, border portions heavy worked border but soft one, running blouse piece fully brocade work running blouse piece. And just this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. Next one also beautiful color combinations, pure material, reshmi tissue silk with digital printed all over base, golden base, traditional Banarasi hand woven Banarasi design worked border all over digital printed one. This one is fresh golden shade, very soft material, fine floral digital printed one. And pallu portions contrast color dye with fine traditional Banarasi design worked pallu, soft material, lightweight. And this one is full base part all over digital printed, floral digital printed, golden base, reshmi tissue silk, pure material. And this one is border portions fully zari weaving traditional border, soft one, running blouse piece fully brocade work running blouse piece. And suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful looks. And today I have the beautiful color combination saree, premium quality pure chiffon Banarasi with silk mark. And this one is dual tone shade, very exclusive one with silver zari weaving traditional border and buta, pure soft chiffon base. And this one is pallu portions highlighted traditional silver zari weaving hand woven traditional design work and fully hand weaving work, dual tone shade. And this one is border portions, very exclusive elegant looks, beautiful saree and designer blouse. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.